Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Farzan, I'm 26, I'm from India, Mumbai. The position I've applied in Kenny Rank is GSR, Guest Service Relation Officer. Well, my education in this field is I'm Bachelor in Commerce as well. I have done certain certification which is related to fitness, and also I've done some courses in Steiner. Well, the Kenny Rank, the company which I'm going to associate with is amazing company in the world. They have they are very well known. Kenny Rank first started the business in 1979 in Tucson, Arizona, and today worldwide it is recognized as a gold standard for a healthy vacation. Well, the company which I'm associated with is so much professionalism and perfectionist is the key for success in this company. Well, the aim of the Kenya Rank is to deliver a good services, and as well Kenya Rank aims to inspire people, to make people to commitment to healthy living and turning the hopes and intentions for the enjoyment of the life. That's what the first aim of the Kenya Rank. Well, Kenya Rank also run different institution, and Kenya Rank are in 2002 the Zuckerman family as well the co-founder Jerry have started this non-profit organization which educates a lot of people towards fitness and prevent the disease, because today's world is more of stress. So Kenny Rank is a door for a success, because Kenny Rank take care of you as like your child is taking care of you, or your closer relative is taking care of you, or your friend is taking care of you. That's what Kenny Rank give you the services and take care of your every possibility, every demand. Well, Kenny Rank, when when you come to the Kenny Rank, the word which comes out of your mouth is called ah. That ah come out of your mouth is just because of the services which deliver by the Kenny Rank. There are a lot of people who have been satisfied with this industry, and the company which I'm going to associate is so much of professionalism, and you are getting the services from this company. There are people who associated with this company is MD, licensed therapist, and mature, which are very well trained, and they have a very good amount of knowledge. So you are in a safe hand. That's what at the end everyone wants it. Everyone wants good services of the penny. So it means you will get the satisfaction of your penny. So your money will never be wasted, and your time will never be wasted in this company. The Kenya Rank, the philanthropy of the Kenya Rank is they have started many institutions which is non-profitable organization, as well the partnership with the Dream Street in 1988, and they have they have donated vacation to their own staff as well, who is into researching of the fitness, and which is a research team. So the philanthropy of the Kenya Rank is to take care of the people. That's what which attracts me to associate with this company. Well, the company is so much of fast growing just because of the services which it deliver. It's dilemma. It's perfect. 110%, 101%. You will get a good satisfaction. Well, every now and then, Kenya Rank launch a products which helps and which benefits overall your personality and development of the body, which will help a lot of people to curb down from the stress and improve the overall health and motivate them towards the life. So Kenya Rank, the reason behind Kenya Rank is so successful because they're running the non-profitable organization which attracts me. That is the reason I want to join Kenya Rank at the position of GSI Guest Service Relation Officer. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.